Hi, I'm Danielle Wenchin.
And I'm Rachel Gagnon.
And
I'm Erica Trufa.
And this is our last interview together.
This is our final report at the state meet for cross country.
Lake Forest. We are here interviewing
Erica
Trufa, obviously, about your race. How did you feel about this experience?
I felt good. I thought we packed it up nicely. Oh yeah, is this the microphone? Sorry, I thought we packed it up nicely. Thought we brought in the second, brought it in well, just raked it in. We did well. It was a good way to end the season. We went out with a bang.
What was your favorite dog to pet today?
Oh my God, Scout, the big fluffy one.
The big fluffy monster.
Yeah, he was a monster.
And who do you think is the best dressed team here?
St. Mark's, obviously.
Which coach is dressed more nicely, Frederick or Dean?
I think it was a tie today. They pretty much matched.
Yeah, they did match today.
But overall, it was definitely Frederick. Frederick took it home. He took it home.
Yeah.
Sorry, Deej. Sorry. It's the truth.
Well, I'm Danielle Wenchin.
And I'm Rachel Gagnon.
And I'm Erica Trufa.
And this is our last report to go.
Happy States!
Yay! It's Lake Forest!